So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of AI to generate questions from a piece of text. So basically what is happening, you have given a task to generate questions for your students or whatever your use case is, and rather than having to think about them yourself, you can use the power of AI. So let's see how we can do that. So over here, I have some information about Michael Faraday. This can be about anything, and I'll just open up this app called MagicForm app. To install it, just visit MagicForm.app and install it. After installation, it will show you this particular UI where you can provide the question type and question content plus number of questions you want. So over here, I'm going to firstly generate MCQ, and then I'm going to generate true false questions. So then I'm going to copy this content about Michael Faraday, just paste it here, and I want, let's say, around 4 questions only. So what did I do? I installed MagicForm application, I provided the question type, I provided the question content, and then I provided the number of question. And afterwards, I'm going to click on generate. After clicking on generate, give it a few seconds for AI to think about different questions by this particular content, and it will add it right inside your Google form. Are you excited to see that? Let's see. And just like that, you can see all these questions has been generated by AI and added right inside your Google form. Now we are going to do the same thing with true false questions, and I'm going to generate two questions, two true false questions using the same text, and I'm going to click on generate. And now what this is going to do is this is going to add 2 more questions which are true and false. And there you go, my friends. Making questions or creating questions out of different topics was never easier than this before. So go ahead, install MagicForm.app, and I'll see you in the next time.